Artificial intelligence is advancing rapidly, as innovations like chatbots and image generators wow us daily with their expanding creativity. Yet enabling models to mimic imagination itself requires a massive computational foundation, empowering them behind the scenes. Enter tech pioneer NVIDIA and their new feat of engineering, the EOS supercomputer. Purpose-built solely for developing more advanced AI, EOS represents the apex of accelerated computing. To appreciate why, let's unpack how AI models actually work. They're founded on neural networks, layers of connections modeled after the human brain. To become conversant about world knowledge like us, they first ingest millions of texts, images, even video clips. This data gets filtered and labeled, so when models later face novel scenarios, they identify patterns drawing on their entire training. The more data they digest across modalities like vision and language, the more creative capacities emerge. But that data hunger presents a scaling challenge if AI is to fulfill its potential. That's where EOS comes in. At over 18 exaflops, I'd unlock speed and scale unprecedented in commercial computing, optimized just for AI's ballooning dataset needs. An exaflop equals over a quintillion operations per second. That sheer muscle empowers models to be trained on far more data much faster. Importantly, EOS also links ultra-fast connections between its GPU chips and supports advanced software essential to best using its firepower. Customers like Humana, NASA, even indie researchers can tap into EOS to fuel creative applications, from preventative healthcare to predicting extreme weather, boosted by AI. But it's trend-setting AI labs like OpenAI behind chat phenomenon ChatGPT that showcase EOS's full promise. OpenAI Proud relies on NVIDIA hardware and now has expanded access to EOS's scale to advance language AI to new heights. By being able to train models faster and broader, they're reaching new breakthroughs in natural conversation and reasoning. And this additional scale doesn't just enable models to get better at narrowly defined tasks. State-of-the-art techniques allow models to learn connections across data types, understanding language alongside vision, even robotics. EOS uniquely provides the computational backbone to make this multimodal AI possible. Its specialized topology supports seamlessly ingesting diverse datasets like text, images, and video to enable unified understanding. This interlinked foundation mirrors the integrated intelligence found in nature, all the way up to humans. As AI thought leader Shane Legg explains, with enough capacity and computing power, single AI models could form cohesive understanding of the world by mastering not just narrow slices, but all modalities holistically. Therein lies the deeper promise of leviathans like EOS. Beyond bearing creative fruits today, they plant the seeds for more expansive AI abilities to bloom in the years ahead. Capabilities perhaps exceeding the loftiest expectations when NVIDIA first started pioneering GPU computing decades ago. Like the goddess of dawn it's named after, NVIDIA EOS signals the closing night of AI's long incubation. The first rays of creative models made more in our image now brighten the horizon. And by scaling computations to empower artificial imagination further, EOS ushers in AI's greatest renaissance, whose wonders have only just begun. The dawn that EOS heralds brings with it immense promise and responsibility. As AI's creative abilities blossom, the choices we make today will have reverberations for generations to come. We stand at a fork in the road. One path leads to a future where humanity and AI partner as equals, each elevating the other to new heights. The other sees us lose control of technologies far surpassing human comprehension. EOS shows that with dedication and care, we can stay the course towards the former. Its design focuses computing prowess solely on developing benevolent AI, ensuring models' expansive training fosters helpfulness, harmlessness, and honesty. Related initiatives remind us we all have a stake in steering this next chapter right. Groups like AI Safety Camp and MIT's AI Policy bring stakeholders together, addressing concerns proactively instead of reactively to problems down the line. Their spirit of cooperation shows with open and thoughtful development. Fears of runaway superintelligence can be assuaged. As AI Lab Anthropic's Dario Amodei writes, with coordination, we have a chance of avoiding pitfalls and aligning AI with human values as its capabilities increase. Examples of good governance give hope we'll see more. Guidelines like the Montreal Declaration profess guidelines for building AI that benefits society, not just shareholders. Regulators too can help by supporting standards protecting civil liberties as AI aids public services. Most crucially, though, citizens worldwide must stay engaged. We all influence whether creativity empowering technologies like EOS uplift living standards globally or leave some behind. By holding leaders accountable, sharing perspectives respectfully, and volunteering our skills to guide progress justly, individuals hold the keys to shaping outcomes. If we rise to our moment and journey together in good faith, the AI Spring EOS brings need known in winter. Through open-hearted cooperation, we can cultivate artificial intelligence that blooms in solidarity with humanity, empowering our shared creativity to solve problems and bring more light to the world. The dawn has come. Let our steps going forward ensure it leads to bright new days.